Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're an American family renovating a chateau in northwestern France. We've begun restoring one of the cottages on our property, and if I said this project was going according to plan, I'd be a big fat liar.
Ok. C'est pas mesdames là. Slightly built? Wants to come down or something?
Well, we've got a really thick carpet on
Yeah.
this side, yeah.
So how hard was it to get them leveled? Because they were pretty off kilter, weren't they?
We did a good job to start, so
Yeah.
it didn't require a lot of adjustment.
And you're a little bit of a, what's the word? You're very precise.
Yeah.
So Kim was getting aggravated at you because it was like a millimeter off.
2 millimeters from one end to the other, and I was
Yeah.
like, can't we put a little piece of slate in there?
Did you?
We got it down to a millimeter.
A millimeter, wow, that's pretty impressive.
It's not perfect, but they're in the position they were originally. So,
Yeah.
I mean, this one goes off on an angle, you know, but
Now that the beams were perfectly level and cemented in place, the stones have been put back, and the next step will be applying new lime mortar to fill in the gaps between stones. So Lincoln, I bet you didn't realize how many great tits are out there among us. We are absolutely delighted to have Birdfee sponsoring today's video. Birdfee is a smart bird feeder powered by AI and has a 1080p high-resolution camera. It's clean energy powered with a 360-degree adjustable solar panel. It's not only really nice to look at, it's also crafted from natural, environmentally friendly bamboo that's simple to install and easy to clean. Just download the app, make sure you have a Wi-Fi signal, and you're ready to do some bird watching. Birdfee has a powerful AI recognition of over 6,000 bird species, so no need for Google. You'll have access to bird watching on the go with real-time in-app notifications from the feeder.
Oh, I got a notification.
Birdfee also acts as a stealthy security camera,
That's not a bird.
chasing away potential predators or husbands. So if you want to get up close and personal with the birds around your home, Birdfee is the perfect environmentally friendly bird feeder. This is something we never thought we needed. Now we can't live without it.
Oh, it's it.
Thanks, Birdfee.
So this is exciting. So the beams are up, but the big thing, the walls behind you are different. What have we here?
Well, this is pretty standard looking. Just getting the plaster off the stone.
Yeah.
And it looks, it still needs to be cleaned up some more, but nothing really odd looking.
Structural or strange.
It looks pretty normal.
But we're going to continue upwards and
Right, we have to take it.
remove
Yeah.
all this, and then this wall as well. This is our kitchen wall. And all this stuff is it's just coming off. So everything's just going to be removed down to the stone. This whole building is just turned into
Not a 5-minute job.
so this is just something that's going to take quite a bit longer, but
When it's done, it will be done.
it'll be done properly, hopefully. So the next step we were discussing today is to put some subflooring up there so we can work up there
Yeah.
and get stuff done.
Yeah.
But we also have to remove this floor.
Yes.
So this needs to come up and a new floor poured, but we need to get the work done upstairs before we can pour the new
Right.
floor so we don't damage it.
Right.
Oh boy, okay. So you have another day tomorrow to work. I think all this stuff's going to be removed, and we'll see how this wall looks. We were discussing the possibility of removing all this plaster and possibly keeping this stone.
Right, because there's building on the other side of this too, so this
Yeah.
is not an external wall.
Next door are the old stables.
Right. So, we're going to try and insulate the other walls, but
Yeah.
this one doesn't need it, so we can leave it.
We can leave it stone
Like
if
stone,
we
if it
we
looks
want
okay,
to.
yeah.
We have to see what the situation is.
The old plaster was removed from the walls, which we initially thought could be done by hand, but having the proper equipment made the job move along much faster.
Cemented over it a bit.
Yeah, so that's the flue.
What? We're not even held in with anything.
It's just they were just placed there, huh? Maybe there's treasure.
Okay. So that's your chimney then.
That's the chimney. No wonder we had a smoke coming in. Terracotta.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh yeah, it looks like tiles. Yeah, they're only about an inch thick.
Yeah, so
Oh, dig that piece out, see what it does. Come on.
do you want to take it out?
I don't know.
Those are good solid. A little bit. I don't know if I
I don't
dare
know.
do it.
I'm not doing it. It's not my fault.
Oh, that's not so bad.
I can see, look, there's a hole there. That's the chimney.
What about this hole over here?
No,
Yeah.
that's the chimney.
Really, it goes over that far, wow.
Well, because I think it was
Yeah, it's there.
huge. It was
Yeah.
I thought so.
a bigger fireplace.
Yeah, we had a bit of a surprise when we got to this one.
So we took the fireplace out, which was our
Right.
plan.
Right. Well, there's bricks and an arch to hold the wall up. That makes sense. But these are just like tiles that were put in there to make it lower. So I don't know if at one point it was a higher fireplace off the floor. But it looks like originally, because you can see a straight line going up there,
Right.
with the stones, and a straight line over here.
Yeah.
And lots of bricks and weird stuff in the middle. So I think this may have originally had a fireplace like the one in the other cottage.
A
Which is
large.
large and sticks out and has a mantle up like this high, and the flue, I guess, is sort of in front of the wall, kind of.
Yeah, yeah.
So
So it's kind of a mystery.
yeah, I'm gonna have to try and take it apart some, because a lot of this stuff is just on the face. It doesn't go all the way through.
Yeah.
So that's
So this whole, what we're talking about is this entire area
down to here.
down to
and
here
So what's that,
is
about
all
6 feet wide.
hollow.
That's what it appears to be. Yeah.
Yeah. So there must have been a large fireplace. I mean, we were thinking, well, perhaps this was an old bread oven. We don't really know.
Well,
I mean, it doesn't seem like it.
I think the big fireplace would predate whatever was done there.
Definitely.
And also, if you look up at that fireplace, it's harder to tell, but you can see an arch of bricks at the top there.
Yeah.
Also. Well, I figure that this, just from having had the bathroom added, we found those old beer bottles in the wall that whatever they're probably mid-century. So I think this whole building was sort of renovated maybe 75 to 100 years ago. The type of fireplace I'm thinking this might have been, it sticks out like to here. Mm-hmm. It's got a big hearth in front of it. So that takes up a lot of space. So
Yeah.
they may have done this just to make more living space.
Yeah, we don't know.
So in the other cottage,
Yeah.
with the big fireplace downstairs, it also has the upstairs one off to that side, like this one is.
Yeah, so it's probably
it could be
the same situation. Yeah, so it's a lot to figure out in the next month or so. So the pressure's on. But at least you got the beams and they look great.
Yeah, they
Really look great. for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have something to say, leave us a comment.